how to make a public profile on Snapchat. If you've been Snapchat for a while and want to make your public profile, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to create a public Snapchat profile so you can share your snaps with a wider audience. A public profile lets anyone find you on Snapchat. It's different from your private profile because it gives you access to new features like the ability to add a public bio, display a story highlights section, and even share content and people who aren't on your friend list. It's perfect for creators, businesses, or anyone who wants to expand their reach. Now let's walk through the steps to create your Snapchat public profile. It's pretty simple. First, open the Snapchat app, tap on your profile. Now once you're on your profile, scroll down to the public profile section. If you don't have a public profile already, you'll see an option that says create public profile. As you can see here, public profile, you can simply tap on create public profile. You'll be prompted to with the get started. Tap on it to continue. After tapping get started, you can customize the public profile. You can add a display. Let me show you like this. You can add a display name, upload a profile picture, simply add on a bio so people can learn more about you, and make sure to choose a profile picture and bio that reflect who you are or what your content is all about. And after that, you can simply post snaps and all in your public profile. And that's it. That's how you create a public profile on Snapchat.